Here we have fibrous layer, here we have serous parietal layer, which is making inner surface of this covering. Okay, it is covering of heart.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, which is continuing with
कितना
pretracheal
अपना
fascia.
इतना ही होता है.
These are fats.
It is fat. Here is too much fat, just for cushion, not for another reason.
मनीष मोटे का heart है.
Now, what you told?
So much clot is there, na?
Here, what is this one?
This is also clot. This black one.
Yes, it's cool.
Heart attack
What is this one?
died of heart attack.
What is this one? Take, sweetheart.
This one?
Fat.
No.
No, what is this one? You should guess it.
Artria, erythemas.
It is this lymphatic nodules.
Lymphatic nodules.
Pair patches. नहीं वो तो
अरे तो साइड में होते हैं.
It's lymphatic nodules.
Lymphatic nodules.
What I am holding now?
मैम ये क्या थी? Aorta.
Of course. Aorta. It is large. It is thoracic aorta. Yes. Aortic arch here is not visible, I think. Okay. Okay, now everything is okay. Heart. Superficial anatomy. of
That
heart.
is also. That Lord.
Superficial anatomy. What is called this part?
Apex.
But I think this animal do not have very healthy heart. I do not like this color. It is apex. It is
Base.
base. Okay. Here we have anterior surface.
And posterior surface.
Diaphragmatic. Posterior
Posterior.
surface. Okay. We have here. Here we have sulci. It is.
Coronary sulcus.
Oh, not. What is going here?
Post interventricular.
No.
Yes, it is. But which one?
Intra-arterial.
Anterior.
Anterior.
We have posterior
Posterior.
ventricular sulcus. Here somewhere will be
Coronary.
of this heart. Coronary going here. Yes. And here is going which artery?
Coronary arteries.
Which coronary branch? Anterior,
anterior.
Which is branch of?
Which is branch of ascending aorta. Ascending aorta.
Anterior interventricular. It is branch of?
Anterior interventricular.
Look, I cut now coronary. Anterior interventricular. It is branch of?
Right to left.
Right.
Right. No, left.
Left one.
Yeah, left.
Posterior circumflex. Anterior. Posterior interventricular. It is?
Right.
Right, if we have right dominancy. If we have left dominancy, it will again be okay. Now arteries separately not visible structure, but now I am cutting this coronary arteries, and for be sure, blood is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is dead body, of course, and this exactly fat covering them and protects them. Okay. Now what I am taking now, this one. Inside, which is changing color. Another one, what you see, it was difficult color.
Lymph nodes.
Sweetheart, you can take it home if you like.
What you will do with this?